all-new generation. InWin Development Incorporated was established on December 10, 1985 and is a manufacturer of professional computer chassis, power supplies, IPC products, and is a leading provider of enclosure solutions to system integrators worldwide. InWin Development has become its own name brand, and our products have simultaneously branched out to speak for themselves with their unique and innovative ways. InWin is headquartered in Taoyuan, Taiwan. As a multinational corporation, InWin has branches in various international locations such as Europe, USA, and mainland China. InWin believes in developing quality products and strives for functional perfection, but they should also consist of creative visual aesthetics so that every user gets to experience the innovative craftsmanship of InWin products. The key to InWin's success lies in designing, researching, and manufacturing. Prior to the birth of a complete 3D model, every product goes through countless stages of brainstorming, proposing, and drafting to ensure completion of each prototype. After evaluation, our manufactured goods go through a series of rigorous product quality tests. Each procedure and each step requires precise measurements, meticulous attention to detail, devotion, and a focused attitude from every employee in order to create our envisioned product. In addition to using high-quality materials on all InWin products, a good amount of effort is invested in detailing and ultimately creating a flawless product that considers all aspects of a user's experience. On top of personal PC, power supply, and computer accessories, cloud storage solutions are also a focus of future development at InWin. In recent years, InWin has designed numerous products and have earned international recognition such as the IF Design Award, Red Dot Design Award, Taiwan Excellence Award, and CES Innovation Award. Contemporary and innovative serves as the foundation for our product development and a benchmark for breakthroughs. Endless possibilities come from continuous innovation and perseverance.